Yeah, I'm talking about you. I always have to be prepared. Let me show you some of the things that I take. These are portable soaps. He will not eat, and it's annoying because we're pigging out and he's not eating because he does not have a place to wash his hands. And we're like, everybody's figuring it out. Everybody has a napkin holding their food. Everybody's like, I don't know, throwing away the last piece that they touched or something.
What are you talking about? I do that. I hold what, like, the last piece and I just throw it away. I do that. You don't. You guys don't.
He won't eat. And then he will have headaches because we already know Jose has anxiety. So not only will he have anxiety, now he's going to have headaches, hunger pains. And now he's annoyed because he's hungry. And it's like, we just ate. Yeah, but I didn't eat because I would never wash my hands. And it's like,
yeah, you're offending me now.
So that's why I always go prepared. That way there's no excuses. And he washes, cleans his hands. So whenever we're eating, he needs to eat too.
My name is Jeff.
So anyways, if you have a germaphobe husband or whatever, wipes, portable soaps, sprays, disinfectants. I have more, but right now I'm only gonna take this. Guys, we're making a quick little pit stop and we came to the gas station where there's literally nothing.
Yeah, literally nothing? With all this stuff on?
Empty shelves.
Over there.
The Taki flavor peanuts?
I thought I had seen my Mr.
Where? Show me. See? No peanuts.
What the hell? She was stepping on her shoes. One, two, one. What the heck? Dang. Huh? Well, I got shaky knees. I got shaky knees. Hurry up. What?
Let's see, open it. I want to see the view.
There's no view.
Open it.
You just see ACs and...
Oh, that's rude. That is so...
Oh, I need to read the restroom.
Oh, it's a parking lot. Look, guys. This is our room. We are... This is a party room. We're connected to Vero and Lalo's room. Mr. Cagon over there is trying to figure out how to turn on the light. We just got here, so we're going to settle in for a little bit. You know, like stretch out our little legs from the drive. And then we're going to head downstairs and gamble a little bit and drink before we head out to dinner. Cheers. Cheers. I swear, Jose has become a monster. Not us starving over here with dinner reservations and freaking Jose's being an addict over here winning. I don't know what game this is, but I don't know. Apparently he's gotten good at it because he's winning. And I think I should let him win. So he pays for dinner. Jose's treating us to top of the world.
Wow. See the world from the New York Porterville.
No, when it goes down, they drop it so fast.
Okay, so we made it to the top of the world.
Now you can even hear because your ears are clogged from all that.
All that ruckus? Alright. Look at that sphere. Wow, Rudy, wow.
Look,
okay.
the sphere.
Trying to get down now. I'm so scared. I'm gonna stay over here. I'm gonna stay over here, I'm scared. I look down, I feel like everything is moving. Wow. Wow. The whole thing is moving. Look, let me see.
Yeah, we're rotating. The floor's rotating.
How come I'm like
now Jose having like a mini panic attack because the floor spins, guys. It spins.
You want the window over there?
No, I'm good. I'll sit over here.
Look, you feel it?
No.
Maybe we'll be
Look, if you pay attention, it's actually. Don't look at it. Wait, what? What? He's tripping out.
glass though.
No, it's the whole thing.
I just didn't want to go on this side.
Nah.
Babe, we're literally.
No, because look, I'm looking at this thing right here. It's still there.
Babe, it's the floor spinning.
I know, but it's only the glass.
The glass is not, it's there. It's the floor.
The floor's rotating.
The whole thing is moving. Look, let me see.
Yeah, we're rotating. The floor's rotating. Ooh, that bread is good.
Cheers to what are we cheering for?
Anniversaries?
Friendships, relationships, and more years.
Wow. So fancy.
Wow. Mine. Thanks to Tapia. And thanks to Jose and freaking Lalo. Well, medium, what was it? Medium well?
Medium well with an extra 5 minutes.
Yeah, it took him an extra 30
extra
minutes.
30 minutes.
What the hell?
And then Beto with her chicken.
Chicken.
So we are at the.
Still the same spot.
This ain't the same spot. Okay, I'm about to have a panic attack up here.
Look at guys. There he is. That's his chicken dance. Yeah, right. Also, guys, baby daddy King Tut right there. Right there. And then me and Jose had our kind of like our honeymoon right there at this Excalibur 10 years ago.
So here we are back at the hotel.
We came to get the money out of the safe.
We came to get the money out of the savings and
Safe.
safe, and we're gonna go gamble right now. Sit down.
Jose won.
Gamble.
Jose won and he paid dinner.
Did I double my money or triple my money?
I did like triple.
I tripled my money.
Tripled, maybe even quadrupled.
Like tripled. So anyway, so we're gonna go back and we're gonna put it all in.
Guys, Jose's counting his money to see how many chips he's gonna go buy. Dude, he's addicted. If I wake up and his ass is not in bed because he's over there gambling, we're gonna have a problem. Because that means he's really gonna have to go buy me the Cadillac. Look at him.
Chip money. Chip me, baby. I'm about to get chipped right now.
Mm-hmm. Chip tooth.
Are we back in New York?
Yeah, these are at the right spot.
This is like New York right here.
I know. Wow. Yeah, this shit is way more back in New York. The big old chain they got there, man. Damn. Look at all these poker chips.
I'm trying to convince Jose to get on the zip line. But he's trying to run away. Over 350 pounds each for free. Right there.
You gonna hit the switches? Probably not. Coffee time. I don't really trust these machines because I feel like they don't clean them, but we'll see right now. Wait, what happened?
Jose is eager to get an anxiety attack. Eager. He's over here making his little coffee, patiently waiting. Ya se quemó los dedos.
This shit's fucking hot. That's how.
Se está ahogando.
That's how hot I want the coffee from the house.
You can put it in the little complaint box at home.
The one that we have in the coffee machine sucks. It doesn't suck, but it doesn't make it as hot as this one.
Oh, what machine is that?
It's hot.
Well, it did take a while to like boil your water. I think that's what it was doing. It was boiling. That's why you were just standing there waiting.
What do you want? sure you don't want one?
I don't want coffee. I want an energy drink. I don't drink coffee. Unless it's like from a cafe place.
A donut shop?
No, not a donut shop. A cafe.
I mean, a Starbucks?
No, like a cafe in New York. Take me to the New York casino and we'll have one over there. Oh, take me to New York casino. We're gonna go over there right now.
Huh?
We're gonna go to the New York place. And then we're gonna go to the Excalibur where we spent our honeymoon. Not honeymooning because we did a 2-for-1 and we turned it into a family trip. Because we like, what the hell? We're taking the kids with us. And then we took them. And we had no honeymooning.
Hey, I like having our kids everywhere with them.
Me too.
I feel like it's not us without them.
Yep. Like, it's the chaos. It's not, like, I miss my Joseph right now. I feel so bad. I've been looking for sharpeners all day since yesterday. Sharpeners and pencils. The other ones, they're a little bit bigger, but, you know, like, they don't really, they can, even though they're here with their Fuchi face, I'm sure they're having a fun time.
Oh, yeah. Now we're just relaxing till we leave. Huh?
Relaxing to the leave. Where are we going?
To a car show?
No, we're gonna go have breakfast first.
Oh, well, you know what I mean. Till we leave. So, drinking a coffee. Brrr. Anyways, that machine right there makes these coffees super hot. So hot that I can't even burning my fingers, man.
Hey guys, let me tell you something. Oh!
Oh no, no, no.
She's done that before. She's like, yeah, I know. She's like my route right here.
Vero's over here about to run out of the truck. We're gonna check out Lindo, Michoacan. We're gonna see what Vero and Jose's people is all about, because Vero and Jose are Michoacanos. Me and Lalo, Jalicenses, 100%. Yeah, guys, they make your tortillas de harina handmade.
Wow.
They're making your tortillas. Beans. Your favorite, huh, Lalo?
Yeah. Fresh guacamole. What do you think about that? Fresh avocado.
Now you can ask me how I feel.
How do you feel?
Better. I can record it now.
Out of storage.
Oh, guys. Jose le pidió un fideo. Out of the whole menu, he said, I'll get a fideo. Actually, come to the meal. If I would have known, I would have got a big ass thing of caldo. That's Jose's new word.
Wow, Rudy, wow.
Look, show yours.
I did.
Everybody's over here all exotic and you over there with your little... I got me a siete mares. Lalo got himself a menudo over there. Pero got... What'd you get? Mole? Chicken mole. And look at Jose's little torta with flags.
I like the little flag.
And you can't forget the wet ones, antibacterial.
What? I don't want to put this on. I want to make it all the time. Oh shit! Hold on. There's a picture back here. Okay, so on today's episode, I came to the Target to look for some what?
Sharpener.
Sharpener. I'm not getting sharpener. Some cheapest.
Hey, we got rooftop. Sometimes people pay for that. People pay for
They pay for the view. Oh shit! I'm about to drop my phone and shatter it in 10 pieces and I have to get the iPhone 16. Damn, man, shit. I was running out of breath. Oh man, look at the line. We're about to watch the.
Guys, right here, Jose learns a new word, and it's wow, Rudy. So I apologize for all the wow, Rudies you're going to hear.
Man.
called what? I don't know.
Diana Bomb Shop. There's a little mini truck right here. The Batmobile lost the wheel, Joker got away. El Chingon 63. Look at the little rag top.
The what?
The little rag top. Oh shit, are they selling them?
They're so bad. I had to like Beretta. They're chingons from Utah.
Wow. Glitter.
Hey, loco.
Wow. That's his mini me. What?
Ready for the. I don't know why, but the black ones are the ones that kind of catch my attention. Like that one. Look at this one. And am I tripping, or is like that blacker than like black? Like I don't know. Is there like onyx black or pitch black? Like what's the color? We got La Bubblicious here.
White light. Look at the glitter.
Those are the real lowriders.
Wow. Devour.
Christmas light stuff. Tea for Tapia. Tesla, guys.
Yeah, 32.
Sorry, am I not taking a picture with you? Yeah.
You're a big fan. Give her a hug.
Wow.
Family, guys.
Damn.
Look, guys. Me with my new earrings.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Let me record the swinger car.
No, it's Gumby.
What?
Gumby.
No, it's a swinger's car.
Right there, Gumby.
When these little cars first came out, I seen them and I wanted one. This guy.
That'll get an inch man. Oh, he did?
They're like $70. Like, but all these.
Can I be you right there?
This is Vero and Lalo's house right here.
Damn, Rudy, you couldn't even get yourself a girl in there? All guys. Hey. Damn. Wow.
That's the 63. Doing? 6'4" Impala.
You had to wreck your car, man. Damn you, Rudy.
That's crazy. How did you do that?
Wow, I just said myself 113 bucks. Oh,
It's open.
it's open from the back. Oh, you're spilling, buckle.
Even though it says all you can eat Korean barbecue, we're gonna go here, I think. Oh wait, where are we going? Oh, just kidding. Where are we going? Oh shit. Oh gosh.
He wants a shirt.
He better reach a small woman.
Okay, so we're still waiting here. It's been like 45 minutes since we've been in line. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I feel like this line is moving in slow motion compared to like all the other ones. But we're almost there. Almost there. Now we have to wait for the lady in front of us to get her 37 tacos. She literally ordered that many. Trying to get a good angle. I'm like near passing out. We got him, guys. Okay. I may be low on sugar right now, but ahorita me voy a chingar una soda. I'm gonna be back on track.
Taco del Godo. 8 tacos. And like the king is here. The king. So we were eating. Wow, what a kingdom.
What a what?
Kingdom, Grand Lake. There's people way up there.
Guys, we literally made it to, hold on, to the exhibit. It's 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is the last time that they're like, oh my gosh, they made it. Like 7 o'clock. I had to come and beg him to like let us in because we barely even made it. And it was thank you.
Here we go, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, shoot.
Why can you give me some of these?
Wow. What are we hiding inside that skirt? Oh, what is that? What's
My
that
living room,
thing?
make yourself at home.
Wow. Wow, Rudy. Wow. Wow, Rudy. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, Rudy. Wow.
I'm like, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's papyrus. Yeah. Finally, Mr. Rudy Valencia decided to let go of that damn table. And that's because Vero's literally falling asleep on the table.
We're talking about we're dancing on the dance floor.
Why I open? Anyways, guys, we're gonna go to bed. It's already 3 o'clock. It's the witch hour.
So today's the day we go home. Done, man. Done. I just grabbed your wiener. Wait, wow. No wonder the coffee didn't hit me. It was decaf. The coffee was decaf. Did you know that? What the hell? No wonder I didn't feel nothing.
Good morning, guys. Today is officially our last day here in Vegas. We're going home. We're gonna stop at a quick breakfast spot. A lot of people were recommending me to go to Casa El Desayuno, so we're gonna go and is my screen dirty? Hold on.
So we came again to the spot because there was nowhere.
No, there was.
Huh?
The wait line was from here to
Ridiculous.
actual Michoacan. Look at Jose's Big Papa. They said that he can't get enough of the Big Papa. Se agarró uno aquí. I got huevos con chorizo. What'd you get, Lalo? Look at Lalo's plate.
Chilaquiles with carnitas on top.
And then Beto.
Damn.
That's the lift Jose's gonna get right there.
But
That's badass, dude.
well, make it. I'm gonna make it taller then. Wow. Spaceship.
Look at the car, babe. Jose, you need to get on that alien ship. Or you need to cord.
Came from Back in the Future. All right, let me get in my car.
What the heck?
Oh shit! Oh man. Hey, dude, you gotta get out, man. Wow. I think we're gonna get some alien turds. Or what is this? Looks like alien turd.
You would hate this, huh? Because you can't put your fingers in it.
Oh, yeah. I gotta be able to stick my whole 3 fingers in there. Wow, the honey is out of this world. Wow.
Here, let me show you my tips.